Hello kids, good morning. Welcome to maths video class after first assessment. Okay, so what I have just seen that you have written, but still you have to improve yourself. You should get good marks. Okay, uh, that's why again do your preparation, and again next assessment will be there. You continue your preparation, don't leave in between. Okay, every day at least 1 hour you prepare yourself. You do the homework, you read the previous chapter, like this. Okay students, you have lots of time, you make your timetable and do whatever. I feel that in afternoon you practice the mathematics, that is best for you. Okay, like this. Please keep updated yourself. Okay, so that's why you have to read every day. So today's topic is that last class I have taught you the SCF and LCM. Okay, SCF and LCM. Now today's topic is prime factorization. Prime factorization. So students, it's like a games only, that you make yourself some cards, playing cards. Okay, like that you make some like playing cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that 10, and then you choose yourself which was is, and makes some group. They are prime number group, composite number group, even number group, like this group. Okay, prime number group, composite number group, like this you can play. If anybody staying the same classmates staying nearby you or your neighbor, both of you or how many you are there, you can play like this. Prime number, composite number, even number, odd number, and like this you make the playing cards up to 50. Okay, then you what you'll do, you choose like this from here. So I told you and taught you also, one is neither prime nor composite, so leave one is a special number. Okay, so start from 2. You think what's 2, in which group it will, and that in post office also they are sorting like this is called sorting. Okay, prime number group, composite number group, even number group. So in post office they are doing like this is HR, this is AB, this is Vivek Bihar, like this they are sorting. So like this also you have to sort. So 2 is a, you have remembered 2 is an even number. 2 is a 2 is an even number. 2 is the only even prime number. Again recall. This one again and again. So 2 you will put here. Then 3 again prime number. You put here. Then 4 is composite number. Put it here. Then 5 is again prime number. So put it here. Like this you can play one game, and you make the upload the video and send to me. You can do like this. Okay. So today's topic is prime factorization. So factorization in the sense, first of all you try to understand the topic, what topic I am going to teach you and what you are learning. So factorization. Factorization in the sense, it is nothing but like a division only. Division. So another name for division is we can share, that is also division. Okay, division in the sense always it will come down. Okay, so prime factorization, factorization in the sense of, in the sense division only. But the thing is that prime factorization means you have to factorization, I mean you have to divide only with the, tell me, prime number, only with the prime number. You have to use only prime number, that is 2, 3, 5, don't use 4, 5, 7, 11, so on. Enough. 2, 3, 5, 7, enough. This number only you have to use to get the prime factorization. Okay student, prime factorization. So prime factorization like this you have to do. So suppose prime factorization of 12, then like this also you can do. This is called factor tree. So I just now told you to it 2. 2 is the prime number. Then 2 into how many times is 12? 6. Again this 6 you do it 2. Then now both you got the prime number only. So all these are prime number. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3. Cannot use 4. Okay, now you see the prime factorization of 48. 48 also in same manner. First start with 2. Okay, you can start with 3 also, but 2 first, first preference. Then 2 into how many times is 48? If you don't know, you go for division. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 8 will come 20, 24. Then again 24 with 2, then 12. Now 12 means you have to follow this. Already have learned. So with 2, then 6, then again 2, then 3. This is called prime factorization and this is factor tree. Factor tree. This is prime factorization. Okay, this is prime factorization. This is prime factorization by factor tree. Now we have to do the prime factorization by division. Okay, this is one topic over. This is prime factorization by division. Sorry, prime factorization by factor tree. And the next topic is prime factorization by division.